G'day everyone. How are you going? What I'm going to be doing here now is doing my first coat in the shower. I've sealed it all, or primed it. I should, primer sealer. I'll run around there with silicone around the bath, everywhere around that small niche. I've got to go across that vanity yet. I need to fill those holes up with my bandage. I'll be running up there with my bandage and across, but I'm going to do this shower, the first coat, and then I'll go for a sanger. I'll come back, prime those walls and start on that coat, and then I can give this a second coat. And once I've done that, hopefully that'll dry, but I'll have my fan going, so let's see how we go. I'm all against the clock at the moment because I got held up in traffic this morning. Change my glove. Birds are chirping. It's a beautiful day on the Gold Coast, Australia this morning. It's 10 to 12. Beautiful blue sky. Where's a clean knife? Oh, don't want to use that one. It'll do. What you do, everyone, is you try and get it with no wrinkles in it. I lay it in a little bit shorter strips, overlapping it, of course. When it's like that, you need a bit of to stick your next piece to. And there you have it. I'll be doing a corner piece. I'll show you. I'll show you how I do the corner. I need to change my gloves. Right, all you do is you cut a shorter piece. Cut about halfway of it like that, so you're able to then make an internal corner. Take out your wrinkles. Like so. Slap some waterproof over it. And just because I'm filming, it wants to be difficult. But that's all right, we'll get over that. All right, I'll take these off and put on some fresh gloves. I'll come back to you shortly. We'll see you soon. I'll be going up that internal corner, up there with my bandage, up that internal corner. We'll see you soon as I get a little bit further down the track. Okay, but it's the same principle as what I've just done.